Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and today I am showing you my recent purchases from Ali Edwards for the Daily December project. I will do another video where I put together my entire kit. I know it's going to look like I already have a lot of stuff here, and why do I need to add anything else? I like to mix and match my products, and so I will not likely use all of this in one December daily. Instead, I will pull other products I have and intermix them, and then whatever's left over from here I can use in future years, etc. So it's kind of like, basically I like to make my own kit so that it is unique to me and my project reflects who I am and what I'm interested in at that point in time. That being said, I have huge fear of missing out, right? So, or as we like to call it, FOMO. And so when Ali Edwards was posting all her stuff, I was like, I gotta get at least something, and then I went a little bit crazy. So I have more than I need here, but we'll make it work. And last year was the first year I did this project, and I absolutely loved it. It was so much fun that I think, you know, I'll be doing this for a while. I'm going to apologize for the lighting. It's a bit overcast today on the day that I'm shooting. And unfortunately my lighting situation is what it is, and I'm very limited in how I can change that. So hopefully you don't find it too distracting. So I'm just going to quickly go through the products here so you can see what is. They'll show up again in a future video as I pull together my kit. Okay, so very first thing, everything always comes packaged quite nicely, either in bags, etc. So I did buy some washi tape, and here's my reasoning why, because I have a ton of washi tape. You guys know I have a ton of washi tape. Okay, so why did I buy washi tape? I'm intending to make my own album this year out of stuff in my craft room, and I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to bind it, but I thought this star washi would be really great as a reinforcement edge for any paper or cardstock pages that I add to the album. So that's one reason why I bought it. Plus these trees are just stinking cute, and I like washi. Need I say more? Okay, so then I also bought these chipboard pack of stars and circles and squares. You can see the colors of the collection. They're a little muted. We've got this like almost burgundy color, this olive or artichoke green, olive green, and then this, I don't know what color you want to call that. It's not really a mint. It's a lighter olive color. So it's got Bring on the Twinkle, I Love Christmas, This Tradition Is My Heart, A Super Normal December Day, Enjoy December Moments, Delight in the Spirit, Thankful for All This, Just Merry, Let's Celebrate All That's Good, A Little Too Much Nog, and then this star. So chipboard, because I love chipboard. And again, need I say more? So this package here is full of more little packages. So we get some wood stars, and these are some wood veneer circles. So let's pop these out so you can get a better feel for what's in here. There's two different sizes of circles. They've got etchings in them. So this one has stars. This one says Joy, Joy, Joy. More stars. This one says December. Merry and Bright is this one. And some holly leaves and branches. Some trees, and holiday love on this one. So I thought these would make really some cute little decorations for a 3x4 card. Just pop them in the middle and maybe some sort of focal element. That's why I got those. Now these ones I don't think were necessarily part of this year's collection. Oh, maybe they were. I don't remember. Anyways, they're gold glitter stars, because you can never have too many stars. This is an acetate that says Merry and Bright, and then we get some acetate stars. Okay. Cool. I bought some page protectors These are the 3x8 assorted pack because I thought it would be nice to have some variety of sizes in my album. Everything's so packed so nice. These glassine bags make great layering elements as well, so don't get rid of them. Make sure you can use them in your album as well. So this is okay. So we get some stencils because you know I'm all about getting into mixed media. She says sheepishly. I have done a couple pages. I just haven't shared them yet. So we get one with the trees, hearts, and then the stars. So stencils, and then we have some screen prints, what do they call them? Silk screens, maybe? Eat, drink, and be merry. Simple joys of holidays at home. And this is magic. So these are like tacky on the other side, and the idea behind it is that you press paint through the white parts of the mask. And what would be December Daily without some word stickers? Now all of these things here are over and above the kit, so they're extra items, right? So you get 2 sheets of the green. It's got things like December gratitude, warm and cozy, etc. You get a bunch of labels in the red. We get some of these black icon stickers, some tabs, and now you can really see the colors here, right? The full spectrum of the colors, which is quite pretty, and I think you could go a few different ways. Gives you a lot of variety. And then the stars. So stickers are good. So last year in Allie Edwards' book, she did some interesting pages where she did some shapes and stuff. And so this year she brought out some that are already pre-cut out for you, I guess. And I thought, yeah, one less thing to do, so why not? So there's this half star. This one says it's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. And then there's this tree. So I thought those would be kind of fun, obviously. Or why would I have bought them, right? And then the last thing I purchased were these acetate sheets. Now, I made my own last year, and I absolutely loved having them in there for some variety. And I also got some from Felicity Jane. So between the two, it was really quite nice. These do come with a film on them, so make sure you take that off. And I don't have any colored cardstock. So let's see. This one here has the tree. Trees with like a gold foil on it. This has the circles, I guess, to represent snow. And we've got the one with the gold foil stars banner. And then the words across there. How cute is that? So I live in Southern California. There is no snow, really. I mean, maybe if you go up into the mountains. And I'm okay with that because to me, I grew up in Canada, and winter will always, I will always equate it with snow. So I'm okay with that. So there's a nostalgia aspect of it. Okay, so that was all, like I said, those were all extras. This is the main kit. Let's have a look-see what's in here. So we get numbers, I believe 1 through 31 in this white chipboard. We get a bunch of these tags. They just have a hole punch at the top, and they've got a date at the bottom. These are fantastic for journaling. We get some rubber hexagons. So let's have a look at those. You know what's really funny? So if you've been following along in my organization series that I'm working on, and actually maybe this hasn't been posted yet. Hopefully it will be. But one of the projects I have to work on is a quilt for my upstairs bedroom, and I'm pretty sure the colors are this. How cool is that? Anyways, this is Let It Shine. It says, so love the season of light, star of wonder, star of night, eat, drink, be merry, and oh holy night. Super cute. I love the rubber. It's just another texture to add that I think makes the project so exciting. We got some more tags. This one says Holly Jolly on the bottom. I'm not going to take them out. This one here, we've got some acrylic stars in gray. I don't know if you can see that. And then we have some wood veneer. It looks like ampersand and some rays. We got some cork trees with a little bit of gold in them. We do get chipboard in here, but obviously it wasn't enough, which is why I had to buy the other stuff. I'm crazy. That's all I can say. I'm just crazy. These are in the black, and they are different. It says Peace, Joy, Jolly, and Love, and Bright, Merry, Cheer, and Noel. I don't know how well you can read that in the camera. We get some acetate. We got December Memories, green wreath. It says Celebrate We Will, for life is short, but sweet for certain, Jolly, and Noel. I wonder if those will fit in a 3x4 pocket. Let's see. Yeah, I think they will fit in a 3x4 pocket. There are some fabric stars, these white little stars with gold embroidery. We got some more words, counting on the days, baking treats, etc. We'll open those last. We've got some more acetate. Looks like it says Mary. Well, let's just open it up because we're doing everything else, right? Why not this one? Lots of acetate, actually. I'm kind of, I don't know, I have not fully embraced the acetate yet, but this might be the year. This might be the year. Okay, so we got Joy, and we have Mary, and we have Magic. Cool. Because here is more acetate. Yeah, I really am loving the color palette of this. It's a little bit muted, so it'll be interesting to see what I have in my stash that I'll be able to pull in and use with this collection. That really is the plan, is that this will form the base, and then from that we'll pull other stuff. So we've got, these are white, they're not clear. We got Hello Christmas, Let It Shine, Loving December, Remember, an arrow, a banner, Merry and Bright, and then this triangle with a star on it. We've got some chipboard. I love these little pieces. They're perfect, the words as well as the little round circles. And we got some puffy stickers. Fabulous. Okay, what else do we got in here? See, it's a pretty big kit, right? I always feel, well, no, we're not going to go there. It is what it is. I bought it. I love it. Going to use it. Move on. Okay, so let's look at the 6x8 paper that came. If I can get it open. So this one here has the wreath, and it's got date and enjoying the season at the bottom. That's a nice touch. Oh, cool. It includes a calendar. So last year I made my own and I tracked the weather, and I was thinking of doing the exact same thing again this year. So this is cool that this is already done up. The back side is a grid. I think the other side was a grid on this one too. So super generic and easy to use. Okay, so we got a diagonal stripe and then the grid, the trees and a grid. We got this star confetti splatter border. I'm not going to show you the back of all of these because they are grids. And then this is a gray star. This is like a snowy night. And then some wreaths. This would look really cute with little embellishments in here, or even the chipboard numbers. That would look really cute. And then a countdown list 1 through 10. Love it. Okay, let's look at the cards. Oh, wait, I forgot. Look, there's also gold numbers. So if you want to mix up, instead of using the chipboard, you can use the gold numbers. That's cool. Okay, let's look at the 3x4 cards. They're all blank on the other side. It says, wish you a very Merry Christmas in the shape of a tree. Maybe I'll zoom you in a little bit. I love this look with a little wreath and then the words up there. I also am really loving this part here where she's got a space for the date and the label. This story, remember this. Here's another one of those cards, but this one says love. 'Twas the night before Christmas. So great. And then a checkbox. An ugh. What went wrong? It says sometimes it's just hard. And that's true, because not everything is always so bright and shiny at Christmas. Making spirits bright. This, and it says super loving this. This is Christmas. Celebrate. Those wreaths that are interlocking. Thank you for these December memories. Good tidings of comfort and joy. This is that confetti sprinkled star background in like a gold color this time, or yellow. Let your heart be light. December life. Rejoice and be glad. Star of wonder, star of night. Magic. There's that confetti again. Merry. This is making and giving and celebrating and enjoying. Let your holiday spirit shine bright. And then another one of those confetti ones. So those are the 3x4 cards. And last but not least are the 4x6. So this is actually prompting you to document this Christmas day. So we've got Christmas morning, and then we've got Christmas evening story. We've got one that just says Merry Christmas on it. Merry and bright and fa la la. There's that wreath again, but this time on a black background. Peace on a gray. And then the stripe. So that, my friends, is the Ali Edwards December Daily kit, main kit, with some extra add-ons. And I will be back probably in the next few weeks at some point. Hopefully by then my craft room will be all sorted out. But I will be back to show you what other stuff I'm going to pull in and show you my kit. Until then, happy crafting.